and welcome to Rapallo. Rapallo is a charming coastal town in Liguria, in northwest Italy. What are the best things to do in Rapallo? You can explore the historic center, where narrow streets offer wonderful views over the Gulf of Genoa. The promenade Lungomare Vittorio Veneto can offer you a relaxing walking among the typical buildings and restaurants. The castle was built in 1550 to protect Rapallo from pirate raids. The colorful houses that climb the mountain base are typical of Ligurian architecture. Rapallo doesn't have a real beach. Spiaggia Minaglia is located about 5 kilometers south of Rapallo, but you can access a teeny area of beach next to the fortress. From the sanctuary of Our Lady of Montallegro, in Gothic revival style, you can enjoy a nice view of Rapallo. Portofino Peninsula can offer amazing trekking routes and diving experiences. You can reach Portofino just by walking. With a boat trip, you can visit the Abbey of San Fruttuoso, while to reach the lovely villages of Cinque Terre, you can take a train. Maybe this is the secret of the long life expectancy of Italians who live here. Amazing food. Don't forget to subscribe to my travel channel.